Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing the impacts of AI for the CIEAS Computer Science course. And here is the specification. We can see we need to understand the impacts of AI regarding social, economic, and environmental issues. So first of all, let us discuss socials and its pros and cons. So, first of all, with AI, safety can be improved through better monitoring and prevention. So instead of having a human look through every face that's entering, we can have an AI and we can see here this is a burglar, this is not. And this will help in reducing crime and helps to catch criminals. Furthermore, AI helps with increasing accessibility for people with disabilities. So, if you don't know, Elon Musk recently implanted a chip inside someone's brain, which can be used to move different things on your computers and such, which helps to increase accessibility. And furthermore, automation of tasks helps to reduce the human workload. So, I can automate writing an email, so I have to do less work, which makes it easier for me. However, there are also many negatives, such as incorrect recognition of faces leads to mistakes, such as access to facilities being denied. So, if I have facial recognition to get into a classified building, but the AI is not working correctly, obviously it will not let me access it. Furthermore, there are privacy issues associated with it, such as I don't want my data being stored on or given to the government. So there are issues with that. And furthermore, a bias in AI systems can lead to discrimination because AI is trained on data we have. And if there's bias in our data, the AI will also be biased. Next, we can consider the economic side. So, firstly, some benefits economically is it reduces costs for businessing by automating processes, saving time and labor. So, a business could automate detecting faults in cars. This will help to save time, and people don't have the actual workers don't have to waste time. So, this will also increase profits by enabling workers to focus on higher value tasks. So, instead of having to waste time in finding the cars, the workers can just look through the report and spend the actual time fixing the car so the business earns more money. And since they're becoming more efficient, this could mean lower costs for consumers, so there will be more clients and more business coming to the firm, right? And finally, enhances productivity. So since AI is much less likely to fail than a human, it enhances your productivity. You don't have to wait and waste time on mundane tasks, and they can be completed in less time. And however, there are also economic cons, such as the initial high cost of AI to purchase. Furthermore, you have to do maintenance and updates, since you have to hire a specialist to manage these AI systems. Furthermore, profit margins may reduce if the actual cost of operating system and the AI system is higher than the benefits it provides. Finally, let us consider the environmental side of this. So, if you see, it will reduce waste through better resource management. So, AI can be used for resource management. It can better filter out what things can be recycled, what needs to go where, which will help to reduce waste management and improve waste management, sorry. And it will reduce also carbon emissions. It can by developing more efficient or energy efficient technologies. So, currently, humans spend a lot of energy on crypto mining, but AI could find a better algorithm, so less energy has to be used. And it also promotes sustainability by encouraging renewable energy use. However, the cons of this is there can be increased electronic waste due to short device life cycles. So AIs are very prone to breaking and may need to be replaced easily if it's on an embedded system. So this can lead to pollution in the environment if the disposal isn't managed properly. Furthermore, training AI, if you don't know, in OpenAI and other systems requires a large amount of water and energy, so it can lead to even more carbon emissions during training and setting up. And the resource depletion from manufacturing advanced technologies. So this requires a lot of silicon or lithium, just some random mineral which may be scarce, so it leads to large amounts of depletion. Awesome. So let's just do this activity. So I'll give you guys 2 minutes to just go through these advantages and try matching up which advantage is for which impact. So social, environmental, or economic. Awesome. So AI increases accessibility for people with disabilities. We know this is social, reduces cost for customers, that's economic, and lower carbon emission, that's environmental. It enhances productivity, that's economic. Safety can be improved, that would be social, and promotes sustainability is environmental. Similarly, let us try to match the disadvantages. I'll give you guys another minute. Just pause the video and try this out. Awesome. So privacy issues because of data being stored as a social. Initial cost of AI system is very high, that is economic, and it consumes high amount of energy and carbon emissions is environmental. Incorrect facial recognition can be a social cost. Resource depletion from tech manufacturing will be an environmental cost, and reduced profit margins if cost of AI is high is economic. Awesome. So thank you everyone, and again, best of luck for your exams.